Welcome, enthusiasts. Delving into the realm of realistic VFX in Blender entails understanding the core principles of realism. It begins with meticulous research and reference gathering to replicate real-world elements convincingly. Blender's texturing, shading, and material tools serve as the foundation for lifelike surfaces, complemented by mastering lighting techniques to emulate natural and artificial sources. Animation in Blender demands attention to physics-based movements and character animation for authenticity. The post-processing phase, using Blender's compositing tools, adds depth and final touches to scenes. Advanced techniques like particle systems and fluid dynamics elevate VFX to photorealistic levels. Each step, from setting the scene to meticulous detailing, paves the way to mastering realism in VFX.